Hi there, welcome to my secret cash method review. My name is Henry Tay. What is secret cash method all about? It is a method that changed the game, a step-by-step guide for getting traffic, leads, and sales. If you are stuck in the rat race of chasing products, worried about your affiliate commissions, or want to unleash your true potential as an affiliate marketer, this product is for you. If you are an author looking for a way to sell your books, a blogger who wants more readers, or maybe you're someone who just wants to sell products and services online, then I would say this is an easy method. The price for Secret Cash method is just $7. So once you get Secret Cash method through my link in the description below, this is all the things that you will get. Introduction: what do the most internet masters do to consistently succeed? What they have in common that determines their success and earn continuous stream of income and create financial freedom for their families. Launch a captivating blog. How many articles you need to start a good business and build a name for the community, where to post their content, and where to find cheap and qualified freelancers. What kind of profitable niche would one need to build a sustainable business in good and bad times of markets? Done for you, three highly profitable niches that make you money today, tomorrow, in the next 10 years. Follow-up sequences: how to write a compelling style for your potential audience to attract them and build that trust. Write a persuasive headline: how to write a headline to attract email subscribers. Integrate your freebie with email autoresponder: how to use Aweber and get response to build your autopilot business. Conversion-focused web homepage: the homepage is the most visited page in your blog. How to use it to get the most leads. Traffic strategy: where to find the best offers to promote and how to promote these profitable info products. Send traffic to your squeeze page or funnel. Discover how to collect newly targeted email subscribers using a well-designed page with hot offer. Traffic strategy: how Matt Bucket used a simple strategy to attract traffic, leads, and sales from his biggest marketplace. Launch an offer: how launching an offer is the fastest way to build a mailing list and earn passive income. Send the most profitable and popular offers to your list. What digital information products do you need to send out to your list, and why software is the best option? Exclusive newsletters: discover how to write engaging newsletters to turn visitors into clients. Track where leads come from: which URL sends you the most leads, and what platform gets you new email subscribers. Other traffic strategies to fill your funnel: always diversify the way you get traffic. Use multiple traffic sources to build in new leads. Leverage the power of guest posting. See how this single site can accept your content and how to become a contributor to get traffic. Low ticket offers to build a buyer list. How companies and gurus sell low ticket offer to build a customer's list and set and upsell your high ticket offers. Free organic traffic search. It is important to get organic traffic from forums, Google, and social media. Advanced marketing strategy for getting TLS over and over. Why do you need affiliates for your businesses? Where to get tons of them to promote for you and when you launch a new product. All these you get for a total value of 1540, but you only pay $7. So when you get this product Secret Cash method through my link in the description below for $7, these are the bonuses I prepared for you. Bonus number one, valued at $344.95, is how to explode your YouTube channel. You will also get bonus number two, valued at $267, is the ClickBank Mastery course. You also get bonus number three, valued at $267, is El Banito. And you also get bonus number four, valued at $267, access the high ticket mastery course. And you also get the bonuses from the vendor. And what are bonuses the vendor has to offer? Let me bring you that. So bonus number one from the vendor is a 25 minutes video. YouTube mass traffic strategy. This cutting edge technique is so effective that it's being used by YouTube masters. It helps you get traffic and newly targeted leads and sales on autopilot. This bonus number one is valued at $197. And you get bonus number two, 30 minutes video, Facebook traffic strategy, a proven Facebook traffic strategy that is free to use for your business. Generate high quality traffic from Facebook without spending too much time. This also at a value of $197, which you will get it for free. And you also get bonus number three, 40-minute video, conversion focused homepage. Highly optimized page that keeps your visitors engaged and convert them into customers. Have a clear call to action that gets your visitor to take that desired action. Also valued at $197. And bonus number four, 25 minutes video, list building strategy. This is an important bonus that you will have. This list building strategy will get you the results you have been looking for and help you build a list that is responsive and engaged. And this valued at $197, and that you also get it for free. So do not delay. Get this product at $7 through my link in the description below. And before I end this video, let me bring you to watch the demo video. And thank you for watching this review video. Thank you and see you again.
Over the past few years, I've gained a ton of valuable stuff from some awesome internet masters and learned some new tips and techniques that help me on my own business. So I thought I would just share with you guys one of the best secret cash methods that internet marketers have in common. It's really easy to set up, easy to understand and implement. You can use it to bank continuous stream of income, drive tons of traffic, and add newly targeted leads. The cool thing is anybody can do this and it works for all niches. And I'm sure you are going to love it. Here's what you will find inside. What do most internet masters do to consistently succeed online? Why launching a captivating blog is the best choice to build a trust? What kind of profitable serve niches one need to build a business? How to write compelling stuff for your potential audience? How to write persuasive headlines to attract an audience? Get an autoresponder to build an autopilot business. Conversion focused homepage to get more visitors, give you their email address. How to track traffic to promote your offers. Send traffic to your squeeze page. Discover how to convert visitors into leads using a simple landing page. How Matt Basak used a simple strategy to gain traffic leads from this biggest platform. Why launching an offer is the fastest way to build a mailing list and earn money online. How to send out engaging newsletters to your list. Other traffic strategies to fill out your funnel. Always drive or diversify the way you get traffic. Leverage the power of guest posting. See how this single website accepts your articles easily. Low ticket offer strategy to build a buyer's list. How companies and gurus sell a low ticket offer to get buyers and earn money online. How using this advanced marketing strategy can get you more traffic, more leads, and sales on autopilot. I do believe if you follow this proven method, you will drive tons of traffic, collect hot leads, and sell more products today, tomorrow, and in the next 10 years. But wait, there is more. You will get four bonuses inside. They are great. You will learn four amazing strategies to get to grow your business. So guys, see you inside and I will show you how to do all this stuff.